My color-treated hair has a tendency to get dry, so I do a weekly deep conditioning treatment to ensure my hair stays strong and doesn't get damaged. In fact, I just had my hair highlighted yesterday, and of course, it felt dry earlier this morning when I got up. I did my deep conditioning treatment. Now my hair feels so good, and yours will too. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV. I've done some hair update videos recently on my hairstyles and the products and tools I use. In this video, I'll show you how I deep condition my hair weekly. Now, I'm a natural brunette and first went blonde in 1999. A stylist years ago did a deep conditioning treatment for me in the salon. Now, at the time, that cost $15. Well, I can do that at home for much cheaper. All products I'm showing you are listed in the description box below the video and in the first comment below as well. To get to the description box, on a phone or tablet, go below the video and tap the word "more" a couple times for the box to fully open. Or where you see the word comments, tap it once and the comments will open, and my comment with the links will be listed first. To do my deep conditioning treatment, I wash my hair in the bathtub with me on the outside of the tub and my hair under the spout. Now, if you prefer to do this in the shower, just keep in mind that you need to keep the conditioner on your hair for 15 minutes. Now, I don't want to sit around or stand around in the shower for 15 minutes, so this is how I do it. You'll need shampoo, conditioner, and a set of these inexpensive hair processing caps. So let's go into the bathroom to the tub. Before getting my hair wet, I have a towel handy and a hair processing cap. I'll be using the Paul Mitchell Super Strong Shampoo, the Super Strong Conditioner, and for the deep conditioning treatment, I'll use the Ion Blonde Solutions Conditioner. I literally put my head under the faucet. Shampoo my hair, rinse out the shampoo, and then I use the towel to lightly towel dry my hair so that it isn't dripping wet. Now I'm ready for whatever conditioner I'm using for the treatment. Like I said, I'm using the Ion Blonde Solutions Conditioner. The amount I use is about 2 times or even 3 times the amount of conditioner I normally use. I get the conditioner in both hands and then work it through my hair thoroughly. Then I put on the processing cap. Depending on how wet my hair is, I can still get some drips going down my neck. To fix that, I put a tissue on the back of my neck and tuck it behind my ears into the cap. The tissue doesn't need to be pointed like it is on me here. Now it needs 15 minutes to do its work. I can do a lot of things around the house in 15 minutes, and 15 minutes is just a minimum. It's okay if the time is longer. In the winter, I like to use a hair dryer to warm up my hair while it's doing the treatment. I have a Bonnet hair dryer that comes in a case, kind of old-fashioned, and I also have this other Bonnet hair dryer that's used with a regular blow dryer, which makes it convenient to use. When the 15 minutes is over, I remove the cap and the tissue, and then I rinse out all of that conditioner. I also wash my hair again. After shampooing, I use my regular conditioner and your regular small amount of it, work it through my hair, and then rinse it out. I heard a comedian say that all men at some point try to do the hair turban thing at least once in their life. It's that easy and cheap. No $15 in-salon services for me. After I've rinsed my hair, the final time I style it as usual. If you want to see how I style my hair and the products and tools I use to do that, I have 2 videos showing 2 different styles. Tap one of their images on the right side of the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.